Within my own personal trading strategy, I have 3 trade setups in grades that I look for. These grades are A, B, and C. Very, very simple. The A grades are the best, C grades are average, and the B grades are just they're good, but they're not the best. In this specific video, I'm going to be showing you my C grade setups that I will be taking on the SP 500. And if you do want to be following this strategy, I have put a PDF download in the description below so that you can download that trading plan and be able to trade it today. It's only going to be available for 7 days after this upload, so make sure that if you do want to be trading this, download it straight away because the link is going to expire in 7 days. Let's just head over to the charts and we'll get straight into the strategy. So the first step is to head over to the SP 500 and go onto the daily chart. So here we are. There's not really much that needs to be done on this, to be honest with you. All you need to be looking for is a bullish day. So as you can see right here, we've got 2 bullish days, or 3 bullish days. I'm just going to put this one right in here in the middle, and then all we're going to do is switch to the 15-minute time frame and head over to that day. Okay, here we are. Now this isn't as I haven't picked this day because it's perfect or something. I've just picked it because it's the most recent day. I mean, we could even do this day because it is technically the most recent bullish. So all you would be doing is come into your chart at this time, which is 7:30 UK time, AM, and you're just looking for setups, right? And all you're going to be doing is looking at the Williams %R for a -90 push down. So as you can see, we have one on this candle right here, and we're going to be entering that trade. Now, actually, I'll go over the Williams %R settings before this because I know that some of you were asking. So go on to inputs. It's 10-10 on both of those, and the style, it's kind of up to you really how you do the style. But the inputs is just 10 and 10. Okay, I'll leave that there for a second. The lower band is on -90, so you can copy that if you want to. Again, all of this is going to be in the PDF download anyway, so you can just go onto that and have a look if you miss anything. So, okay, we've entered a position. The stop loss is going to be 10 pips, and the take profit is going to be 100 pips. So obviously this is a loser. Again, didn't pick this because it's an amazing setup or whatever. I'm just showing you the trades. You can go and do the back testing if you want to find out if it's profitable or not. Obviously I wouldn't be trading it if it's not, but I know some of you aren't going to believe it, so you can go and trade it if you want to. I'm just going to be showing you setups. We've got another setup right here on the end of this candle. I can't actually see that. Right, there we go. Which, as you can see, is a winner. So you've had one winner, one loser. There's also another one down there as well, so that's probably going to be, let's just say it's another loser. Also, you're not actually entering there, you're entering about there. Yeah, so let's go on to the next day, because this day is bullish as well, so I can even check this one. So we've got a loser right here, we've got another loser here, and then we've got a winner here. So I'll put that winner on, because obviously everyone wants to see the winners. So you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Should I put this down? So 6 trades over 2 days. You've had 2 winners, 4 losers, equaling -4%, equaling plus 20%. So overall, in 2 days, you've got 16% gain. Now, again, this was randomly picked, just the most recent days on the chart, right? This is a Saturday that I'm recording this. All I've done is gone back into the previous week and looked at the trades. This is my C grade setups, okay? These are not my best setups. So, you know, this isn't something that is going to be incredible. It's just my C grade setups. Obviously my B and my A grade are better than these, but they are still setups. And at the end of the day, when you've got something where you can consistently get a trade every single day, there are going to be, you know, those days where you're going to be losing, and there's going to be days where you're winning. I think we've been a little bit lucky to find 2 days where we've had some nice winners. But at the end of the day, you can go back and test this yourself. 16% in 2 days is not bad at all. It's very, very good. So, you know, that's what you're doing. Now, I'll actually copy and paste the rules in here as well, so that you can see that if you want to be taking a screenshot, screen or whatever. I can't even speak. So these are the rules. Very, very simple. And you know, you can go and trade this today and find out if it's profitable for you. Again, if you want to be downloading that PDF, it's available for 7 days after this is uploaded. It's up to you whether you get that or not, honestly. It's just a way for you guys to have all the details for that strategy. And if you kind of enjoy that, let me know, because if I'm doing any strategies in the future, I can put them into a PDF format for you to download, so that you know you don't have to go into the comments and ask questions. If you want to be sharing this with someone, please do. I know there's a lot of traders, again, looking for strategies, looking for things that could work for them, and testing things out. So if you know a trader that could benefit from this, please send it to them. Because, you know, there was a lot of time where I was struggling with trading, and it would have been amazing to have someone say, hey, I think this strategy could work for you. Why don't you go and test it out? So, you know, if you do know that someone, please send it to them, because, you know, you might just really help them in their trading journey. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.